Ah, the sounds of an Etsy holiday. Now that's special. Want to hear it again? Get original and affordable gifts from small shops on Etsy for gifts that say, I get you. Shop Etsy.
Yo, 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 yo. Mic check. Chat when I hear me loud and clear. You might look active. Hold on. It's a pull out. But yeah, chat. New week. Today Monday. Not gonna lie, like Asian session yesterday was kind of crazy. We end up get a dub in Asian session. Think I made like 20 pips. But yeah, today Monday chat. We have news today, by the way. Nah, we don't have no news today, so we should be straight. Yeah, we just jump straight into it. Run the analysis, then we mark up some levels and see what we can get for the day. And by the way, let me load up the pen. Hold on, chat. I'm gonna load up the pen thing. I'm not gonna need that. Sealer. Promote some freaking thing. Let me see what I'm going. And chat, yeah, me did make couple like, I'm like, oh yeah, we're good. Me make like couple adjustment to the journal as well, just to make it look. Wait, and I see my screen, by the way. And I see my screen. Yeah, see that chat. Yeah, cause the journal it did kind of look messed up, so I just adjust it. Now these are the weekly total. This right as a chat. Weekly total. These are all the trades I'm gonna take for the week within the week, and this are basically how the week end. This way you see in a green is basically the end of each week. Yeah, chat. So basically like adjust it cause it did kind of like messed up. It did look away. So I'm just fix it. But no, yeah, this was last week, or this was week before last. This was last week. But yeah, shall we take 3 trades? No, not 3 trades. We take 5 trades last week. We lost 2 and win 3. So that I adjustment to make. But yeah, overall we're still up like 122 pips. Cause this right here, so chat, this is the monthly total. So these are all the trades like that I take for like the entire month. But yeah, so that's like just make like a couple adjustment. I get straight into the analysis though, chat. Yeah. So let's start from the monthly time frame as usual. Remove the line there, and bear in mind chat, we no markup on the monthly. We just like to take a look at the monthly time frame just to have an idea of what the monthly candle doing. Weekly candle, I think previous weekly candle closed bearish 98 to close bearish. New weekly candle open up a print a top wick. I would expect this weekly candle to flip bearish and print a low. Yeah, majority of candles have like top wick and bottom wick. So let me say like the flip. How much go down towards the flip? We're just 500 pips away. Not 550. 50 pips away from the weekly candle flip. So that definitely possible. So weekly candle could easily flip soon. And as I can see, we did get a closure below because we have a level at 41.98. As I can see right as to the left. So we did get a closure below. We did get a top wick at 62, not 62, 42.59. We get that as well. I'm gonna say something, chat. I'm gonna go up on Discord. I'm gonna say something real quick. That line. Alright, so as I said, nice on my screen. Alright, so yeah, chat. So this weekly candle, basically the weekly and the daily flip are the same place. Yeah. So we would expect this candle to flip chat at some point. So basically I'm gonna drop down to like the 4 hour time frame, because that was the daily. We close below, print a top wick. This candle is like 50 pip away from flipping, or 80, something like that. But yeah, chat. This 4 hour candle already print a low. That's the first thing I noticed when I dropped down to the 4 hour time frame. So this candle was able to drive down. We print a low at 41.99. And then this candle reject. So we got 30 minutes left until this 4 hour candle close. So chat, if this candle can manage for like, what I expect we get like, you know, I'm leave like call it yet. I will just continue before like this right as a chat. This level I have at 99 are basically the 4 hour candle flip. Not the 4, sorry, the daily candle flip. I'm just put that right there. So alright, so for the 4 chat, we push down, we already print a low, we got 30 minutes left. If this 4 candle can re-break its low, then that basically mean like this top wick we have right here at 42.15, this would be decent if this 4 candle can manage to re-break its low and close below the range, below 40, below 99. If we get a closure below 99, then you would expect price to continue down further. But if this candle manage to close weak bearish or even flip bullish, if this current 4 hour candle even flip bullish chart, then we're probably going to need a steeper top wick. So most likely we'd look for buys going up towards the range fill, because you would need to see like this high at 41.15. This high would I need to get re-break if this 4 hour candle close weak bearish, or if we even close bullish on this 4 hour time frame. So it depends on how we close. Drop down to the hourly time frame though, chat. You can see we push up, we fill the range on the previous hourly candle, and the current hourly candle push all the way back down. We never break out the range though. So chat, price could literally like, we could push down towards 41.94 for like a bottom wick, because I can see this level was the level where price was able to reject from in the past. Yeah, let me zoom out further just to see some. Put this all the way across. Yeah, chat. So this current hourly candle chat, you would expect some rejection come all the way down towards 95, 41.95. Let me see the range going down. But after we tap 95, after this level get tapped, we'll basically wait and see what direction price choose after that. If we can tap 95, push all the way back up, get a closure back into the range, price tap 95. If we manage to push back up chat, and we get like closures, I would say closures back above, yeah, 03, 42.03. We get like closure back above that level chat, we could look for buys, but we would wait for price reject, print a bottom wick. Once price rebreak the highs, we'll look for buys going up. Something like this. We look for buys going up towards the range fill chat. You see me? So that would be basically be the idea for the buys them. We need for top 40. We need not 40. What me I talk about, bro? We need for top 95, 41.95. Once we tap this level, get a closure back above the range, and then we look for buys going up chat. But the reason I said that, because even if price going to push up, if we get like a closure below, if price going to push up, we need liquidity. So we expect a breakout of the range. It's for a range. Once price breakout, close back into the range, then that would be decent. But for the sales though, chat, if I'm going to look for sales, which that most likely But if I'm going to look for cells chat, I would need to see like a closure below and another top wick. I need like a steeper top wick than this. This 30-minute candle would have a reject, flip bullish, print a high. But yeah, after we print a high, once the candle reject, close back below the range, then we can start plan sales idea. But if we get sales, would I look for exit once price stop 95, 41.95, because this is the like the rejection level. Would expect price to reject from this level. But yeah. So nice 30-minute candle flip. So yeah, what I want to see this candle print a high chat, a steeper high than it had before. But yeah, that was the only time frame. That was the only time frame chat. If we get a closure below, we would expect 95 get tapped. After we tap 95, price could push back bullish. If price close back above 03, the buys going up would be decent. If not, and we tap 95, price break below it, we get closures below 95, we could look for even more sells going down. Or if we should get a closure below like 03 and like the next 15-minute time frame chat, if this candle can close bearish, the next 15-minute candle open up, push all the way up, print a high, then more I look for sells. Like more I need to see like a top wick. I need to see like a top wick get printed 4206. Let me put one level right here. Once we tap 4206, then the cells would be decent going down. Let me change the color, by the way. Let me change that. Put them in a yellow chat. I like if you use the yellow them. Alright. So that top wick chat, this could be enough at 4204. This top wick like the 15-minute candle just print, that could be enough. But if not, and we push back up to rebreak the highs, I would expect we'll get some rejection at 4206. Yeah. So if we can get like a candle tap 4206, close back below the range, then we could look for sales chat. And now, like if this if this current 15-minute candle close bearish below, the next candle open up, push up first, rebreak the previous candle high, tap 4206, then I'll look for sales once the candle flip bearish. Once the candle flip bearish, I'll look for sales going down towards 95 chat. But yeah, that's how I look at it. Let me delete this. So we have both idea for buys and sells. You see me? But let me drop down to like, that was all. Basically, I analyze all of the in time frame. I'm leave like wait. I do it, bro. Alright, chat. So we're up on the 30 frame now. See, big finger hot. We're up on the 30-minute time frame now, chat. So flip back bullish once again. So can we get a steeper high, chat? Because I'm not sure, as I said earlier, I wasn't sure if this is enough at 4204, sorry. But now that we flip bullish, can this re-break its highs, print a top wick at 4206, after we get a high at 4206, reject, flip back bearish, close below the range, and then we'll look for sells once we get like a closure below the range after a top wick at 4206. But yeah, chat, that's like the 30-minute time frame, and yeah, we are dropped down to the 15. On the 15 frame, yeah, chat. So look, this are my thing. Hold on, let me go from my phone. Let me get my phone real quick. Alright, chat, say yo, brother, what up? Yo, bro, I'm going to Turkey from tomorrow and I'll be back on the 25th December. See you then. Just to come to tell you these. Wish you profitable. Bro, say I wish you profitable every single day. Hey, I appreciate that, bro. Real shit. I appreciate that. Today I got a W and 0 L's, so plus 1%. Nice, bro. Nice. 1% every day. That decent. But you know what me I look for? I'm a paying devil at work. I just that now. I'm paying devil at work. We'll talk and call when I come back. Alright, bro. Yeah, hope you have a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, bro. And I know most people stop trading in December. But I trade right throughout the year though, chat. But sometime I do take a break. But not because like it's like Christmas. I think I took a break in like May or April. But yeah, I hope you have a Merry Christmas, bro. And yeah, you can definitely just link me on Discord or on Instagram. But yeah, chat, this 15-minute time frame. This 15-minute time frame. Am 15 with that talk about? Yeah, we got 5 minutes until we close. Alright, so let's see. Remember earlier I said if this 15-minute candle can close like bearish or even weak bullish, the next 15 should be able to open up, push all the way up, re-break the previous 15 highs, tap 4206. If we can tap 4206, flip bearish, then we'll look for sellers going down. But let's see. Got 4 minutes until this close. But same to you though, bro. I wish you a profitable day every single day, bro. No joke. I appreciate the support, bro. I really do. I appreciate you coming through and showing love, bro. No joke. Cause you always join the stream. I think like you show the most love. Respect for that. But yeah, it look like we're gonna get a closure below. We rebreak the highs just now. No, we're good. We never rebreak the highs. Oh, can we just say?
So you want to start a business? You might think you need a team of people and fancy tech skills, but you don't.
But yeah,
You
chat.
just need GoDaddy
Like
Arrow.
I swear, bro,
I'm
I
one
respect
guy who's an
everybody who
active
followed
and
up
expert
on the
looking
stream,
like I
bro.
know what I'm doing.
So show so love.
GoDaddy Arrow uses
No
AI
joke.
to create everything you need to grow a business.
I'm telling you,
It'll make you a unique
at the
logo,
end of
it'll
every
create a
stream,
custom
I always
website.
telling to say,
It'll
yo,
write social
respect.
posts for you and even set you up with a social media calendar. Get started at GoDaddy.com/arrow. That's GoDaddy.com/AIRO.
But yeah, chat, that's basically the breakdown, chat. You see me? That's the breakdown. Hopefully I understand the analysis. So now we just play a waiting game. We got ideas about buys, ourselves. We got both ideas, so we just have to wait and see like how the candle close. Think we're about to get a closure in 2 minutes. And yeah, see if we can get a top wick or if price push down first. As long as we have both ideas. But that was me. I work on my breakdowns chat, like when you probably don't understand, like whenever like the analysis, I don't know. Maybe you guys understand, maybe you don't, but I'm working on like doing the breakdowns chat, cause me, I understand it, but I'm trying to like explain it in a way where everybody can understand it, and that's kind of hard. Cause I don't just analyze one time frame. I analyze from the monthly, go straight down to like the 15 and even the 501. But the 501 is mostly for entries though. I do take entries off the 15 and even the hourly. Yeah, this and like the first of the month, this was an entry off the hourly time frame. It's another hourly time frame, yeah. Last month. But yeah, that's why it's not that easy for just like break down my strategy to a beginner, because like there's a lot of things involved. Alright, so we close bearish. We close weak bearish chat. And remember what I said. If this candle close weak bearish, I want to wait and see if the next 15 can open up, push up, re-break the previous candle highs, and top 4206. If we get this level top, chat, then we could look for sells. So let's see, we re-break the highs, nice. Then we top 4206. Or that's it. Alright. Let me put on this, hold on chat. Level get top, nice. So can this candle reject? Alright chat, so level get top, 4206 get top, so let me see. This candle is a 30 pip, 35 pip candle, so range going down. Previous candle week is 22. Could I ever target this low right here? Alright, try to make some adjustments real quick. But chat, we top 4206. If we're gonna get sales, it would be like below 4202 once this candle flip, or if this candle flip bearish. No, we can't just sales cause we don't have to flip bearish. If if this candle like print a low, re-break its highs, chat, this something like this can happen. We don't have to flip bearish. We can print a high at 4206, reject, and then re-break its highs. But most likely price now got just re-break its highs like that. Yeah, that's it, something like this. Yeah, see my chat. So that this could happen. So it's like this candle don't have to flip. But if we do flip, that's like an extra confirmation. If we wait for this candle to flip. So that's why I don't think no weak entry. Once this candle flip and we know below the range 4202, then we look for sales in this range. And if we don't flip, we got idea for buys as well. If this can go do flip. Let me see something though. Hold on, chat. I saw my chat like. I'm gonna check something real quick. More and see like from the rebreak of the highs that will be 18 and above 09. Above 09 is a way better range. See, I'm gonna put a level right or something. So the 15-minute can go flip. Alright chat, let's see if we can get a closure below the range. I don't have any sell stop though. I don't have any sell stop on the flip. I want to see an actual closure below the range before I take sells, chat. This can go dive as soon as we flip though. Which level do you have? 90, yeah, right? So 95, 96. So they expect some rejection from this level. Any closure back above 03 or 02 is going up towards the rebreak of the heights. Yeah, that's like a 40 pip range going up 37. To be exact. So that would be decent. I'm not gonna lie, do a chat like the price action look clean, bro. I swear. Price action look clean right now. But a life where you want to choose, I mean, now what choice? There something about the car I drive. Them now rejoice. We have some rifle in army style. Chat would definitely like if we should get like a closure above chat, we might look for buys above like 05, 40 to 05. We got clean range going up. Yeah, some rifle in army style. This can go indeed. We're still close below. This bearish can go the previous bearish and the 5 minute was still close below. Print another top week. So if this can go push down, as I say, price action look clean, chai. Like the way a goal move, it just makes sense. But chat, we have like ideas, chat. We just wait to see the levels then get tapped. To see how the candles then print. Just have to be patient. Wait, we rebreak the lows? Yes, we did rebreak the lows. Now we have a new low. Yeah, chat, we just have to be patient because everything look good though. Price action look good, but we need to see how we actually react in these ranges before we look for execute.
Too much for your phone plan? Ouch. Tello Mobile's here to fix that. Get Tello Unlimited for just $25 a month. And if you need something else next month,
I desire. Yo, chat, give me like 2 seconds. May I forward? Right. Me even know, you know. Can't ask me. So chat, price just are re-breaking low is that good. As I'm say, like the way price a move, it look decent. We just have to be patient. You see me? There's no inches as yet, but we just have to like follow price. I have I already have like an understanding already though, cause as I'm say price action look clean. We either wait for like a closure back above, like 05, or if price top 96, 97, and we get a closure below chat, then with the adjust my levels them, we could look for buys above 02. We just have to like see how like we close and see how the candle react. Then we execute. But as I'm saying, so far price action look clean. January. Alright. So chat, we're approaching 4205, basically top. Yeah, let us see if this candle can reject. Let me grab my phone with me. Because we might get entries. But we need this candle to reject first, chat, before we get any buy entries. But that moves so quick. But this is how I wait on chat. So we print low, print a low, and then this can go push back up, flip bullish. But price just push up so fast. I want to see a closure above. After we get a closure above, then we'll look for get buys. So we could still take buys, but we have to wait on like the 5-minute candle. Or if price just push up and fill the entire range, then we just adjust the levels and look for buys above a different level. But I just pushed so fast, bro. I think at a minute candle, look at that. This minute candle just pop. Alright, so since we already basically fill the range already, let me see. So like what, 5 pips away? Exactly. Let me just adjust this, put this up 42 or 10. This could be like, let me measure that. Data 14, you would expect some rejection. It's a bit 20. Left off for that time frame there. We got what, 5 minutes for the 15 close. Once the 15 close, we could still even get buys off the next 15-minute time frame. Chat, me just hold on, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna put back the levels there. I'm gonna look, yeah. Once it's 15 close in 5 minutes, chat, if it close at like 4206, or yeah, if it close like anyway in this range, we could look for buys off the next 15 to go up towards the candle wick fill, or even 4208. But we'd have to like wait for that though. Let me see that hour. 5-minute candle close, we never even print a low, we just push up. So yeah, couldn't get nothing off for this 5 either. So chat, I'm looking for buys above 42.9, but I'm just waiting for like a closure, chat. Alright, so we get a closure on the minute time frame. Once it's minute, are we gonna wait for that a 5-minute closure? I was gonna look for buys on this minute candle flip, but instead of take buys on this minute candle flip, might as well wait for like the 5-minute closure, chat. Minute candle flip bullish, but yeah, I'm going to wait for like the 5 closure, cause the next 5-minute candle gonna need a bottom wick anyways, so might as well wait for that. Oh, look at that though. A minute candle fly. Alright, we'll see. So yeah, chat. I want to say this 5-minute candle. Like, if I look for buys off of this 5, would have a push down towards 09, 08 levels, and then flip. Basically, that could be it. So before we close and flip bullish, this could basically be it. But I wait, chat. If gold fill the range, I just GG's, bro. So you go mobile and I get entry confirmation. Can't just form when I that might end bad, bro, I swear. Let me see. Alright, nice. So chat, you know what we can do? We can put buy on the rebreak of this 15-minute candle highs instead. Yes, in my chat. My place buy stop on the rebreak of the 15-minute candle highs. Yeah. So I just got activated, chat, on the rebreak of the 15-minute candle highs just now. That was quick, but that was a trade I got in the chat. Basically I go break even. If price can manage for top like 41, not 41, 42.11, would I risk free the trade? Yeah, and stops in this case, let me see. That would have been what? 210. So stops would be on the 30-minute candle lows, chat. But yeah, that's the trade I got into. If price can top this level, 42.11, 42.11.72, would risk free. Look for close for that 42.30. Yeah, let me see. Yeah. Let me adjust this. Rebreak at the highs. So chat, hopefully I understand like the idea behind the trade though. You see me, but that's the trade I got into. Just have to wait and see what happens. But I expect like if this can go, we got 2 minutes left. I'll just wait and see how we close though. If we close bullish below, or if we flip bullish and rebreak its highs. I'm just wait and see. John, dog. Who the fuck? I wanna see how this candle close. We have 1 minute left, chat. Can this candle rebreak its highs before it will close? Yo, chat. Move me, I go move me. Yo, give me like 2 seconds, chat. I'm gonna be back. Just give me like 2 seconds. But I'm still in this trade though. Alright. So I'm back. So the 5-minute candle will close bullish. New 5-minute candle open up, reject. You might need another low. I'll just wait, chat. We got like what 9 minutes until this 15 close. And chat, if we fail to push up, like, see if this candle fail for drive and this 15 flip bearish, rebreak it slow, we might go in a drawdown. You might see price push all the way down towards 42.05. Like this candle, chat, if we try to flip bullish, we fail, rebreak candle lows, close below 07, we might go in a drawdown. Price might push all the way down to 42.05 before we reject. But yeah, that just possibility. But this is the thing though, we haven't closed as yet, chat. That's like worst case. Like if we should start get closures below the range, we not start close below the range as yet, so we're still good. We'll just wait and see. Alright, chat, we're re-breaking the highs. No, not yet. We just need an next pop. Once this can go re-break the highs, chat, nice. That's the re-break at the highs. Can we get like a closure above 42.11? Let me see something. Let me see. How much minute left? Got 15 seconds, chat. Can this candle close above in 15 seconds? Let's see. Not break even as yet. Alright, we top. Got what? Last. So chat, I wait on the next 5-minute candle. We got 40 seconds. In 40 seconds, if we close bullish, next 5-minute candle gonna need to push down first and print a wick. Once the next 5-minute candle push down, print a wick, then we're going to break even once that 5-minute candle flip bullish. So I'm not break even as yet, cause if we close above, the next 5-minute candle might need to push down. So we're gonna wait and see. Wait for that. Alright, let me see how we close. 2 seconds. Alright, chat, so we close bullish. Alright, nice. So once this 5-minute candle print a low, then I'm going to go break even, chat. But we're going to need this 5-minute candle going to need a low. So there we go. Like if this 5-minute candle mine should flip bullish, this would now be a risk-free trade. If this 5-minute flip bullish. Let me see, 15 got 4 minutes left. Re-breaking lows. Wow. So chat, yeah, we might have to wait on this 30-minute candle. If this 5-minute candle don't flip bullish, we might have to wait on like the 30. Cause once we get a closure, if this 30-minute candle close bullish, even if the next 30-minute candle going to push down, we usually like we're going to need a top wick first. So I'd say the next 30-minute candles do something like this: open up, seal a wrong one. And I see 30-minute candle open up, push up, print a top wick, and then we flip back bearish. I don't know why most are bug out, but then we flip back bearish. So we could look for get out on the next 30-minute time frame within 3 minutes. If that should happen though. I thought those ideas we'll have. But yeah, we'll print the high, top 42 level, and then low and rejection. Low and rejection, bro. Feeler. Got that. We have 2 minutes until this 30 candle close, chat. That's what I'm waiting on, this 30-minute candle closure. Alright, chat, so look, you see this 30 You see this 30-minute candle will close in like 5 seconds. If this candle push up first, chat. If this candle open up, push up first, you might see me hop out this trade at break even. But if we push down first and print a low, then we're gonna stay in, because if this candle print a low first, at some point you would expect this 30-minute candle to flip back bullish. So, but if we print a high first, once we flip bearish, we could just continue down. You see me, chat? But yeah, I'm still in this trade. This candle open up, we print a low first. We tap 42.07. This decent. We have rejection at 42.07, so we could push up from here. But if we did tap 42 or 42.05, that would be ideal though. 42.07 good, but even 42.06, we have a level at 42.06. If price tap this level and then reject, that would be ideal. But this could be enough, chat. I'm not sure, so just wait and see. This could be enough. Let me see how the price I reject from, by the way. But yeah, re-breaking the lows, could definitely expect some more drawdown. Price re-break the lows, then flip bullish. Flip away. 42.8. We're back at break even. All the candle now closed for now. Alright, chat. If this candle managed to re-break its highs, chat, this would be a risk-free trade, chat. And the re-break of the highs. On the re-break of the highs is a risk-free trade. Or even if we can tap 42.11. If we tap 42.11 or re-break the highs, break even. But yeah, got a minute left until this 5 candle close. So can this 5-minute candle at least close bullish? At least, bro. Reject, flip bearish. 15, got 11 minutes left, bro. Chat, man, I'm gonna know like whenever I'm gonna manage risk, cause I might see me adjust my stops to like the current candle lows, but not this one. But you know I gonna know whenever I do that. Re-breaking the lows makes sense. So pushing down, volume look healthy though. But chat, we tap 42.05. Well, we'll see if price can hold or if price I could just push straight through. We'll just wait and see. But my stops is on I'm telling you, like, my stops is on the hourly candle low, chat, for 120 pips. The exact level is at 4197.28. That's the exact level me have stops. I'll make sure I place that, because volume look healthy. Next thing goal will just glitch. When gold start glitching, man. Yeah, chat. 4197.28. That's the exact level. But we top. I think we break 06. Yeah. And we push down towards 04. So can 04 be respected? Cause even though we're pushing down chat bearish, we have like rejection level on the way down. So I would expect price to reject from one of these levels. But this is the thing, you see if price does something like this, price open up, it's the thing chat. If we open up, we push up, we print a low, and then after we print a low, we reject. And after price reject, we re-break the lows. That's when like, you know, you get bad cause on the rebreak of the lows, you would expect price print a steeper low. So this is the thing chat. Once price already print the low, we want to see price hold this level. See if we can actually hold this level, then that would be decent. If not, then most likely we're going to need a steeper low, and that means more drawdown. But yeah chat, Sega still rebreaking the lows. Rebreak just now? Not yet. Almost. Not gonna lie, its price action look decent though. Even though I'm in drawdown, like price action look good. Everything makes sense. That bitter, bro. How you get that? A single Bible that? Channel. 4 I can go flip, not the 4, sorry, hourly. But I still a 4 as well. Let me see if that show up on like. There we go. So yeah, chat. I have my stops on the 4 I can go lows, chat. Break these lows, let me see. It's our 120. Yeah, that would have been 150. I'm gonna put a level right. So, but yeah, chat. We got what? 20 minutes left until this hourly candle close. So let's see if this hourly candle going to just flip bearish. Once we get a closure below, then most likely price going to re-break the hourly candle lows, and that would be stops. No pineapple chat, and stops is 120 pips. If I add a pineapple, let me see. Yeah, wait, I'm just wait for the candle close. We got 5 minutes until this candle close, chat. If we close below, as I'm saying, if we close below 42.01, then most likely price going to re-break its lows, and that's where I got stops. But if we close respecting like above 42.06, then we'll still be good. I expect price print a low, tap 42.04, and then flip bullish, and we should be good. But it all depends on how we close though, chat. Any closure below like 42.01, then you would expect price to re-break its lows. They know, they want to like that. You can see. Bro, why my chart look so like, hold on chat. But just I realize why am I have so much lines on the chart, bro? Let me get rid of some of these lines, chat. My chart look like a freaking. My chart look weird right now. Hold on, bro. What the fuck, bro? Let me get rid of some of these lines. The ones them when make sense. All of them kind of make sense still, you know. Cause all of them there for a reason. But bro, let me move some of these lines, chat. I already have that. Let me delete that. Stops on the lows. Delete that. Yeah. See, now we look way better. Chat, they just look like shit. But chat, we still got 3 minutes, chat. We still haven't gotten a closure as yet. If this can go close respecting, then good for us. If we close bearish below, then most likely stops going to get hit on the rebreak of the lows. You would expect price to rebreak the lows if we close below 01. But let's see. And you know we could do, chat? We could even adjust stops on the rebreak of the lows. But that would have been how much? That would have been an 80 pip stop. Because that would have lead to a flip. Hold on, let me see some. Oh. This far I can go flip in a 17 minutes. Yeah, I'm both flipping as we're closing as bro, we don't know what I say. But yeah, chat, still got the original stops. I'm gonna move it. Where I can go most likely go rebreak the lows though if we get a closure below. $16 minutes, yeah. But I'm just aware we got like a minute left. As I'm saying, if price close below within 1 minute, you would expect price rebreak the lows. Stops should be able to get hit once price rebreak the lows. But if for whatever reason price close respecting or weak bullish, then I guess we're good still. But we got like 40 seconds. Most likely like the volume like was super bearish. Most likely we're gonna hit stops though. We're breaking the lows. I'm like what, 5 pips away from stops. Once this candle flip, that's it. 8 pips. Oh, that just glitched. So chat, that was the stops. That was minus 120 pips. Let me see. Yeah, 120. No, 130 actually. So that was minus 130 pips, chat. I'm not gonna lie, price action makes sense. We never get a chance to go break even. I was expecting this candle, once we re-break the previous candle high or even top 42 level, we would risk free this trade, but price never top. I think we came like 2 pips away, and then this candle just start to reject and push all the way down, re-break the previous candle low, and that was stops. But this trade makes sense though. Even though we took a L on this trade was according to plan. It makes sense. But let me journal that. What time we take this, by the way? I think we got entries at 9 a.m. Wait, at 9 a.m. we get entries? Nah, 9:15. Yeah, it was 9:15. Candle flip bearish push down. 1:30. Sorry, chat. I'm gonna journal that real quick. 9:50. I'm putting on the cap sealer. And now we gold one push back up. Weird. That was gold. That was a buy. I think the entry was on the rebreak at the highs. It was a breakout on the 15. Was it off the 15 minute? No, it was off the 30-minute candle. Or it was off the 5. It was off the 5. It was off the. Yeah, I think entry was off the 5-minute. Take a L minus 120, 130. Sorry. Bro, what the hell? Alright. I'm gonna say no. Think I want me use no light red. This is our max drawdown. Max drawdown was 130. Max drawdown was 130. Never have a pineapple entry. I make this bigger. Hold on, chat. Yeah, 14. To them bullish or bearish? Let me see the daily bias chart. I think I was bullish for the day today. Yeah, I will get entry all the way up. That's all. This daily can get bullish. But now we flip. Minus 1. Sealer. Monday start off rough still, I'm not gonna lie. I said that. This hour again. Oh, it's a monthly total. 130. Alright, chat. So I think no, hold on. Put it wrong. We probably like break even for a month or something like that. No, minus 8. Minus 8 pips for a month, chat. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, like a month and a couple days. But yeah, chat. So that is it. That's our journal. This trade was at 9:15. Was a rebreak at a high buy entry. I did some breakout, but price did break out. You know, we just never tap break even. We never tap the break even area, and then price start to reject. So now, yeah, we lose 130 pips on that trade. GG's. We're just gonna fall back tomorrow and just follow the plan, chat. But this is just a small L though. Like, we should be able to recover this in no time. Like, we never had a pineapple on this trade, so we should be straight though. Price re-break its lows, and now we start to reject. GG's. Let me see. Which our price push down towards 95. and then flip back bullish. We have, let's see what we have at 95. Yes, we have these to the left. Price tap these levels and then reject. Makes sense. Chat, man, if I gonna lie, even though I take a L chat, price action makes so much sense, bro. Price action makes sense. Like, I'm not even mad at this losing trade, bro. But we'll be able to come back from this chat. This is an easy fix, bro. I got my face kicked in also. Try to buy Euro USD. Yeah, bro, this trade like, even though I lose, this trade makes sense, bro. I swear. Price action wise, like the price action, whole price like rebreak its highs and then drive down. Can't even complain. But that is it though, chat. We are gonna fall back tomorrow, same time, same place at 8. Yeah, we live stream every day at 8 a.m. So today on Monday, we have like a whole entire week ahead of us. So we just focus on that, you see me? We don't really dwell upon this, you see me, chat, but I fall back tomorrow. Me soon, just drop a like on the stream same way. And that is it for right now. Hopefully I understand the idea behind this trader though. We end up on a rebreak at the highs. I think we'll peak. Yeah, bro, I swear. Peak like 12.10, and then price start for reject like after rebreak the highs again on like the second candle. Well, whenever rebreak the highs, we push up. I expect we top 42 level. Price came like 2 pips away, and then start for reject, push all the way down, rebreak its lows. So not gonna lie, it makes sense, chat. I can't even complain, bro, I swear. But that is it for right now. Me soon tomorrow, and you know, we just forward tomorrow and continue for like plan. But GG's, chat. That is it. Respect to everybody who followed up on your stream, said we is it, no joke.